have in your home that claims your ownership and refuses to allow, see a man like Obi Cubana with all the wealth of the community and yet carry only one selfish wife who will come there and block the inflow of other girls into that family. It's time for single ladies to get up and tell monogamous wife that it is either you shift or you get out. A man doesn't belong to a woman. A man belongs to the society. So the women comes to benefit from the side. No woman claims ownership of a man. It is a man that owns a woman in our culture. Any woman in fighting a man from bringing in another wife in the compound is an evil woman that must be sacked in the house. This minute as you are watching this video with me, any woman you have in your home that claims your ownership and refuses to allow other girls to come into your house is simply an evil devilish woman that must go back to her father.
You see that now what do this guy? Man, sometimes this mental illness. Ndị mmadụ aha ada ama na ahụ adụọ ha ma n'iyeche na ahụ ọdụọ. In the case of this boy, not here. Enechanam this guy, and yafuna this guy will problem do more than we can actually see. Look at a small boy known at this age. Look at a small boy. This is what people call here disintelligent. Look at a small boy known at this age. If this guy put on Facebook, and the man with the king on do na faithful on him, umunne the one with the king on do na faithful on him on eku. Bala asina bala for okay or wala ala agwa mono no wolo ni ife patalo onuji we na eku maka omen una esigo kita from omena na Mathias Ezeaku baba na the main agenda, and you people want to use this small boy to park at Ebonu Neje. Just look at if a small boy, a promising young man, not like this, not on Facebook, not on Facebook, you are promoting polygamy. You are promoting polygamy. Ebe no keta at this age. Wolo you a product of polygamy. One of your family reap what other people reap from being product of polygamy. Ya na ebe aka efe yanako. Ya na ebe aka efe yanako. No ebo na ino no ka na ekwu ino nwanyi na abo. Ina agba. Ko bago ya ku nisi. Just look at in this 21st century. In this 21st century, ka a young guy, in this age, not in his 20s, in his late 20s, if not early 20s, this kind of thing there. You can imagine. While even down a man on Facebook with the chase cloud, now show a controversial topic how you treat. Can them want to way engage you too much so that they can make their money. Is this what it takes for people to preach to them to go back to their root? Is this what it takes? Is this what it takes? Encouraging men to marry more wives, encouraging young single ladies to go into demonstration against someone who do possessive of their husbands. You got to go all in the bid to preach against that principle of the church that said one man, one wife. That is it. Now, just to cancel that church part to involve a marriage, so that the real traditional institution where you are free to marry as much wife, as many wife as you wish. Ebelen ne buy. All in the cha if onyan or ile yana trailer fail will break. At the end of the day, when you sit down and analyze every single thing he has been saying, you will not see any sense. If have any sense in if one, it will tell yourself that truth. You are only enjoying the free flow of that English. You are only, and sometimes you go and bring grammar. Ayman is spoken in English. He will just go and bring it all in the bid to confuse you and not to convince you. You know that now some of the videos he heard that you don't really understand some words and some meaning, but you are only now not see, because when you want to confuse a black man, you use English language. The moment it's shallow, people from beginning to end. But English will afford grammar ya we use, and they will not even bother to ask you. Because you know that language nwe onye ọcha ahụ ka iji wee na-eme the real test of intelligence, and you know onye sụọ English sụta ya ọfụma ese na ọmụ ife, onye sụọ ya sụta ya ọfụma ese na ọ maghị ife, ese na ọ maghị akwụkwọ, na ọ maghị ife, na ọ maghị nke. But you know what I'm talking about. Ngwa tune nke agwakwakwa m nke amaka, nke okwuru kịta amaka. A small boy do like this put on Facebook na this 21st century bịa na aka ife a na encourage ndị mmadụ mụruke n'ofu ma ọ wee bụye ya azụnwu, mụruke n'ofu ma ọ wee bụye na azụnwu. Onye na-anụ nwaanyị ada anụ nwaanyị because of today. Onye na-amụ nwa I make plans because of today. A lot of people mụrụ ụmụ 6,000 nwu ha today nwere ego mgbe ha mụrụ ụmụ 6 ya, but today things change go. When you are making plan, you are making a long-term plan. You are not just making a short-term plan. Today you may be controlling a business worth billions of naira. Tomorrow you may stay without even one kobo. So when you want to make a plan, you make a long-term plan. Already we go ụmụazị niile efu na-eme na ahụ ọkụ na street, ụmụazị niile efu na-ata ahụfụ ndị mmadụ na-eje akpọrọ asmedi na-emewu feni na-awụ ụmụazị amụrụ amụ, feni na-awụ ụmụazị amụrụ amụ. And sad enough, ụfọdụ parents ụfọdụ nna ụmụazị ahụ efuru nụchara nwaanyị na-abụ, even in their poverty state ha nụchara nwaanyị na-abụ because they want to eat ofe egusi, eat ofe ọkụrụ, eat ofe nsala. Ụfọdụ nụchara ụmụ ịtọ in a community where they have made it that no by tradition ne ya anụ nwaanyị one sọrọ ha na-anụrụ nwaanyị na-aga. The only thing ha understand ne ya anụ nwaanyị one masịrị ha nụrụ nwaanyị na-aga, nụrụ nwaanyị na-aga, na-amụrụ ụmụ na-aga, amụsachazi ụmụazị ekposa ha, ụmụazị atara ahụhụ. But ụfọdụ ụmụazị some of them were born with silver spoon na their mouth, but today that silver spoon apụgo aluminium spoon bata ha n'ọnụ. All those things is because na nna make plans here based on what is happening at the moment. Ije na-akpọ Obi Cubana fa. Obi Cubana ahụ na-akpọ ọmụrụ ụmụ one. Obi Cubana ahụ na-akpọ ụmụ one sef ka nyenwa mụrụ. Nyenwa sef ịma na nwere nnukwu ego. Ndị big men ọ na-amụkwa ụmụ ọka nkụ. Nya ka ihe eje shọka ịnụ nwaanyị ịtọ nụọ nwaanyị ịnọ ịma na issue one ya amụta ụmụ nke, issue one amụta ụmụ nke. 4 different responsibility adụrọ ịkwọ. Onye nke a nwere ike na-alike Brazilian hair, onye nke a nwere ike na-alike Peruvian, onye nke a nwere ike na-alike 4 different conflicting responsibilities. The same thing with ụmụfa. Ezumuda n'ofu ma o wee were zụta ya. It's high time people of this generation nye mụrụ anya. A lot of things anyị na-emebisi families today. A lot of things na-achụ nwa boy from ebe ọ na-agba boy. A lot of people na-eme nwatakịrị na-asa afọ ọga ya, na-alụrụ ọga ya ọrụ, ọ na-eme ọfụma. If not kata ife ochenje. A lot of things na-eme nwaanyị na-eme ọfụma, ọ nọkata onye mezi ọfụma. Di na-eme ọfụma, ọ nọkata onye mezi ọfụma. Nwata akwụkwọ na-eme ọfụma, ọ nọkata onye mezi ọfụma. We ife amụtara na Facebook a. So you should be careful as some messages ị na-ege na this Facebook. You should be careful as some messages. Forget about this guy sepụtara na this last minute. He misleading the mmadụ just because of Facebook money. Tigido mkpu a until bossy ife yeme. Look at a message he had kpọrọ onwe a graduate or an undergraduate. Look at a message this small boy can awụ ahụ n'afọ. This small boy can awụ ahụ n'afọ. Apụ abụọ 1 kobo wege. Look at the message ọ na-enye. Then you will know that we still have disasters in waiting. We still have disasters in waiting. They are still waiting. With people like this. With people like this. With people like this. I'm happy to look at him. Look at him. On a happy baby safe. And I'm happy ever. Alone.